Hi, this is Mahesh Ravi here. So we're going to talk about GPTs today. And GPTs are something that you can create in chatgpt.com, which will basically automate and do the tasks that you want to do by itself, right? So based on your commands, based on your instructions, it will handle all the tasks that you are giving them. For instance, I'll show you a quick example here. So if I go to this particular GPTs that I have created, so I have two here. One is this, and one is called WriteFX. So if you come here, this is a GPT that I have created, and it shows that it is done by me. So the custom instruction that I've given here is that if I give it an article, don't change it, but just fix the errors which are there. And there is a detailed set of instructions that I've given here so that I don't have to repeat it every time that I'm doing here. I can just copy and paste the content. So for instance, so if I just paste the content that I have typed from somewhere, I don't have to give a prompt or anything. I just click enter and it is going to give me a corrected version. And it is going to give me a line by line comparison on what was the things which was changed. So here there is a no change here. In here, it capitalized the AI and it capitalized the AI here as well because I wrote it like a simple, small letters. So it was changing. So this is what I want, right? I don't want AI to basically change the tone of my voice, the personality that I have in my writing and all that. I just want it to fix certain things. So that is what I did with here. Now, another thing that I've done here is this GPT called Movies. So if I want to know about a film, all basically I have to do here is that I come here and I type the movie's name. It's going to give me a brief description about the film, what is good thing about that film, and also a YouTube trailer link. So I don't have to go to multiple links and search for a movie. I can just search it here, and if it is available anywhere in the internet, it'll actually grab me this information. So what is the year, what is the language, what is the summary of that, or what is the good quality? Because I again mentioned here, I don't want the story summary of this movie. I just want what is actually iconic about that movie. So it is going to find me what was interesting about that film without spoiling it for me, and it'll give me a trailer link. And this is what I wanted. I can just try it with any film out there. No matter how old it is going to find it and it is going to give me that information, right? So this is what GPTs can do. It can save a lot of time in your workflow. So let me show you how you can build a GPT by yourself. So you click on Explore GPTs here, and you can go to a lot of, it's a library of GPTs that are created by other people. If you want, you can use any of these GPTs. But what we're going to do is we're going to create a GPT on our own. So if you click here, it's going to open a window like a canvas where you can actually interact with the AI right here by using a conversational mode. And on the right side, you can see the preview, and we can see what model that we are working with. We are actually working with GPT 5.2. And we can see the preview here. That's one way to create it. But there is another way that we can create a GPT. We can just ignore the create panel and we just go to configure, and we can do this manually. We can write the instructions. If you are very, very clear about what the instruction needs to be, you can name the GPT, you can add a profile picture. Without any AI assistance, you can create it. And this is how I basically do it. So what I have done to create my previous GPTs, that I named it, I gave all the instructions that what are the things that it should take care of, how to start the conversation. If I'm just saying hi, how should it start the conversation, and I can upload the file. So what I have done here is that I have uploaded a couple of my writings, my original articles, for AI to understand that this is my style. So I want that personality to be kept. I can upload that and use it as a knowledge base for the LLM. I can choose the model, and I can actually allow personal capabilities for this GPT. So I just want web search and canvas, and if I don't want image generation, I can turn it off. I don't want images to be generated using just GPT. For example, if I was creating the text correction GPT, I don't want images to be generated, so I can just turn it off, and I can create the GPT like that. So that's when you're absolutely sure what you want to create, you can actually use this, or you can just go to create, and you just have to say that what I want to do. So let's say I'm going to say that I want to make a GPT where if I give a movie name, it should break the content to 3 acts. So what I'm saying is that if I'm giving a movie's title, it should break that movie into the 3 acts. What is the what do you say, the exposure, what is the conflict, and what is the resolution that happens in the film. I want to break it down into 3 acts, so that quickly, if I'm writing about a film and all that, I can just recall what happens in it. If you can actually try whatever you are interested in, but let's say we are doing only that, we're going to click this. So it's not like immediately generate something. It is going to co-create it with you. So it might ask a lot of questions here because we are being very vague here. So it basically gave us a name for the GPT. We will go with that. Let's go with the name. So you can immediately see the preview of that model here, and it's generating a profile picture for you. Okay, it gave us this. If you want, you can change it, but I'll say that let's use this. It immediately updated here. So GPT is updated with all of that stuff. So now we can actually add instructions to it. We want to make sure that, let's say, so it is asking us questions right now. While breaking down the films, should the analysis lean more towards plot mechanics, character arcs, or an equal balance of both? So I want an equal balance of both. And we'll also mention a couple of other suggestions. Do not explicitly mention spoilers while entering a name of a film. Automatically start and give me the 3-act structure without any additional prompt. So I'm just giving 3 instructions here. I want an equal balance of both the stuff, character and the plot. I don't want it to explicitly state spoilers in the film. Now, while entering a name of the film, just the name is enough. I shouldn't give any other prompts for it to start working because I might not have the time. I just need to come here, enter the name of the film, and it should do the job. So it is asking another question, how detailed the act needs to be. 4 to 6 lines are fine, but clearly mentioning expositions, conflicts, climax, resolutions, etc. So whenever we are giving an instruction, we can see that it is updating the GPT, which is really useful. Keep the language technical. So I want the language to be a little more technical. Assume that the user knows screenwriting. Okay, so now after all these back and forths of questioning, clarifying and all that, the GPT is ready. So we can see a preview here and we can work it out. We can start, giving a film and see how it actually processes it. So let's say we're going to go and say that enter the name of a film, weapons. So we can see the Act 1 setup, confrontation, and the resolution. So that movie was broken down into 3 parts, mentioning what happens, what is the conflict, what is the climax, what is the resolution of the whole thing. It works perfectly, right? So this is an interesting GPT. So once you're happy with it, if you want, you can still correct things. But if you're happy with it, you can click create and you can share this with other people if you want, or you can put it up on GPT store you can share it with a link, or you can actually say that this is only accessible to you. So I'm just going to say that I want access to this, and I'm going to click save. So for any of the tasks that you are repeating in ChatGPT, every time you are going there and you are entering the same prompt over and over again, try creating a GPT so that the job will be much easier for you. You can just throw in an image, ask it to convert it into this particular style, and it will do it every time that you need that. So you can create GPTs, again, that will save a lot of time, and you can focus on the more important tasks, right? So I hope this was helpful. I'll see you with another video soon. Till then, bye-bye.